These are the A Wire 2 frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and with these lenses there are 2 screws on each side. You're going to have to loosen both of the screws in order to take out the lens. So you loosen the first screw, just twist to the left, and then you loosen the second one, and also twist to the left. And then the lens should just pop out. Like so. It may require a little bit of force, but that's okay. Now to reinstall the lens, you are going to have to line up the lens with the grooves on the frame. Now you have to be careful because the grooves are so narrow, and it is a metal frame, so it is smaller than a plastic one. So you just make sure the grooves are all lined up, and then you just screw back in the screws. Take this one to the right, and then this one to the right also. And that's it.